2.2011 Hyundai Sonata 4-doors car. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, gas I4, 2.4L 144, FWD front-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, tires front performance, tires rear performance, temporary spare tire, heated mirrors, power driver mirror, power passenger mirror, heated exterior driver mirror, heated exterior passenger mirror, fog lamps, auto-on headlights, auto-off headlights, intermittent wipers, variable speed intermittent wipers, AM/FM stereo, CD player, satellite radio, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, Bluetooth connection, leather seats, power driver seat, bucket seats, driver adjustable lumbar, pass-through rear seat, rear bench seat, auxiliary power outlet, cruise control, adjustable steering wheel,